Hi everyone. Today we will learn daily routines vocabulary. These are words we use every day. Easy words, simple sentences. We will look at pictures, listen to the words, and repeat them. Then you will do an exercise to reinforce what you have learned. Are you ready? Here we go.
Wake up. Wake up. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Get up. Get up. I get up and go to the bathroom. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. I brush my teeth every morning. Take a shower. Take a shower. I take a shower after breakfast. Get dressed. Get dressed. I get dressed to go to work. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. I have breakfast with my family. Go to work. Go to work. I go to work by car. Have lunch. Have lunch. I have lunch at 1 o'clock. Clean the house. Clean the house. I clean the house in the afternoon. Go to bed. Go to bed. I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Let's play a game. I will show you a picture. You say the action. Ready? What action is this?
Brush my teeth.
What action is this?
Take a shower.
What action is this?
Get dressed.
And what action is this?
Have lunch.
Great job! You learned daily routines vocabulary. Wake up, get up, brush my teeth, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, go to work, have lunch, clean the house, go to bed. Watch again and repeat to remember them all. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you next time.